Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to automatically round amounts during billing in Logic ERP, making your invoices cleaner and more professional. Let's get started. Head to the Sales Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find the feature labeled as Round Bills. Let's enable this feature. After enabling the feature, go to Other Settings too and define the round-off criteria. We are going to discuss each option one by one. Let's proceed with generating a sales bill. The first rounding option selected in the configuration rounds the bill value from 887.26 to 887. The next parameter in the process will round off the decimal value to the nearest 50 paisa. As you may observe that the decimal value of the bill amount is rounded from 26 paisa to 50 paisa. Moving on to the next parameter, round off the bill amount to the nearest unit of 5. Now the bill amount has rounded off from 887.26 to 885. According to the next parameter, if the decimal value is more than 20 paisa, then it will round off to 1 rupee. So, now the bill value will round off from 932.40 paisa to 933 rupees. The next parameter will round off the decimal to the upper nearest unit. The bill value will round off from 932.40 to 933. The L rupee parameter will round off the bill decimal value closer to the lower number. By applying this parameter, the bill value will round down from 932.40 to 932 rupees. Moving on to the last parameter will round off the value by 10 unit. As you may observe, the bill value will round off from 932.40 paisa to 930 rupees. This is how this feature helps in accurate and standardized billing.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.